Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Are you targeting your most engaged visitors to build your email list? If not, you're wasting a golden opportunity. OptinMonster's inline campaigns encourage your readers to subscribe when they're already engaged with your content. Inline campaigns are incredibly effective for subscriber growth, especially on content-heavy sites. When you combine an inline campaign with OptinMonster's content lock technology to gate part of your content, you can turn your most popular content into a lead generation machine. So much so that our customers have used inline campaigns to more than double their conversion rates and add hundreds of new subscribers to their email list. OptinMonster includes visually stunning, professionally designed templates that are proven to get excellent results. You can quickly customize any of these templates, or use the canvas option to build your campaign from scratch. With our easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder, it only takes a matter of minutes to build and customize elements such as images, text, countdown timers, buttons, and more. Lead generation doesn't get much easier than this. OptinMonster works on all types of websites, and we have integrations with all the major email marketing service providers. So, are you ready to increase conversions and boost subscriber numbers with inline campaigns? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.